Life's been quite frustrating lately and tiring. So I'm really glad Lois invited me here.
Tarzan and Jane.
Maraming picture ako, diba? In white, blue. You know. Kita nyo na? Oh, dalawa kayo.
So pretty.
Ha?
Oh my god! Hey guys, we are at the airport now and we are flying to Coron. So I just came from my game and then now I'm here na sa airport. Dahil inaantok pa ako but now I'm so excited and I'm so happy Lois invited me. I'm doing my Spanish homework. My score is 10, but you know. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Lois is here again.
Don't forget the name in our...
Wow.
Here, and we're supposed to be like that.
You're so cute.
Paano para sa inyo mamaya po? Diba? Dalawa lang nakasakit sila. Alright.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bunso, ma'am? Ganun mo kayo, dalawa. Both side.
Nice. Hi, Tita. You're hungry na? Hala, hindi pa kayo nag-breakfast, no?
Tarzan and Jane.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Kasi sisigawan kayo nila. Careful. Tama ba?
Okay.
O, ikaw baba na.
Yung video na lang.
Both side ng lake, good luck po yung mga iconic view under the waterfall. So, mas mainam kung hindi nyo po gagamitin yung...
We just ate! Yay! We're busog now! And Lois is applying sunscreen because ayaw niya mangitim. Just like me. Do you like that? I think it's 600.
Oh my gosh.
Bye, Mai. Bye! Wow! Ooh! Parang mas maganda to kaysa sa Cebu.
Oo naman, mas maganda talaga corals dito kasi doon. Pinipid. This time, anong gusto mo? Picturean na kita sa kayak?
Picture! Please, mapapractice na.
Oh! Heart!
Let's go!
Ganyan magawa ng heart, mama.
Let's go, Lois! Hey!
Ilan naman yung followers mo?
10.
Tingnan nyo ha. Yan ang sa right natin.
Oh!
Pagpunta dyan.
Oh my gosh!
Ang limestone, according to the Bible. Tignan nyo kung may nakamark dyan sa palibot nyo sa limestone. Kumbaga parang naka-sink hole. So kasi yan, yun yung mga layer na part ng water. Pag ano. Yun. Na, diba? There you go. Alright. Ito na yung second lagoon. Mababaw talaga. As in. I will try. Ngayon.
Crazy nice. As in, I've
Yeah.
never seen anything more majestic in real life.
Beautiful. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at
Ayun
it.
ang maraming mga Pinoy. Naikot na daw nila halos yung picture ako, diba?
Kahit video. Grabe! As in,
Yeah.
grabe. Super majestic.
Ma'am, naka-continue pa. Kaya mo mag-drive na kaya kahit pa paano? Ayaw ko sa talagang ating ano. Maganda sa atin na yung green, white, blue. Oh, yan o. Kita nyo na? Bababa ako, picture mo kayong dalawa sa kaya. Joke lang, brother.
Mas maganda yung kanina.
Ayan, naka-stolen. Mas okay yan. Oh, dalawa kayo. Hindi ko galaw na kasi ito masyado. Malintaan ko eh.
Just look.
Where?
Ha?
Oh, ang dami nga. Oh my gosh, that's so wow. Oh my god, it's right there.
Hindi matakot. Ha? Stuck kayo? By tomorrow, iba na naman. Kasi rotation kami. Kanila, pag summer, winter, kasi nagkaroon ng family problems. Patay kasi yung ate ko. Sila, kumbaga, kaya.
Before dinner?